Chemical Guys CWS _301 citrus wash and AMP, gloss foaming car. Wash soap, works with foam cannons/guns or bucket washes. Safe for cars, trucks, motorcycles, RVs and AMP. More, 128 FL Oz, 1 gallon, citrus scent. About this item, 13 plus years of clean and AMP shiny vehicles. Citrus Wash and AMP Gloss has been on Amazon since 2009, getting the best ratings and reviews, 9,000 and growing. No other citrus-based soap works like Citrus Wash and AMP Gloss. Check out the reviews and ratings on this page. pH balanced. Citrus Wash and Gloss is pH balanced and gentle on all exterior automobile parts like paint, clear coat, polished metals, glass, and plastic trim. It's safe on waxes, sealants, and ceramic coatings too. Harness the natural cleaning power of citrus. The all-natural citrus extracts blended into Citrus Wash helps release dirt and grime from the surface to safely clean your car for a streak-free shine. Concentrated. A little bit goes a long way. Just add 1 to 3 ounces of Citrus Wash and Gloss to a 5-gallon wash bucket or to a 32 ounces solution tank for your foam cannon or foam gun, and you are ready to experience a foam frenzy. Unique gloss enhancing formula. Bring the shine back to your car with every wash. Chemical Guys. Citrus Wash and Gloss is formulated to enhance the brightest shine on any color paintwork. Made in America. Each bottle of Citrus Wash and Gloss is proudly produced in the USA. We celebrate the happiness of clean cars each day in our Southern California headquarters, as well as our detail garage retail store locations throughout the country. The Chemical Guys CWS _301 16 Citrus Wash and AMP Gloss Foaming Car. Wash soap is an excellent and impressive product for cleaning your car. Users have praised this car wash soap for its foaming formula, which is specifically designed to work with foam cannons. One of the standout features of this product is its citrus-based formula. The citrus extracts in this soap help to break down dirt, grime, and road residues effectively. This provides a thorough and deep clean, leaving your car looking shiny and rejuvenated. Additionally, the foaming action of this soap creates a thick and luxurious lather that clings to your vehicle's surface. This allows the soap to effectively loosen and remove dirt without damaging the paintwork. Many users have reported that this foaming action provides excellent coverage and helps to reduce the chance of swirl marks.